Hey everyone, this is Paul, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. I have here with me the magnetic loop antenna, which is the backup antenna. And also I have here the ICOM 705 transceiver, also the backup device. Well, it seems that while I am scanning the bands seems to be very quiet. So I'm not sure if I will be able to make any QSO today. I don't know why is that so bad on the bands. Let me know, guys, if you find also the bands so quiet. Hello CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ. 4x5 Lima Lima, 4x5 Lima Lima. Do you copy? Wow. Uh, 4x5 Lima Lima, 4x5 Lima Lima. Weak signal, weak signal. Could you please repeat again? Please repeat again. Over. Please repeat again my report. What is my report? What is my report? Over. What? Okay, 5 and 3. Thank you for 5 and 3. You're 5-1, 51, 5-1, 51. QSL. Okay, thank you. Good luck. 7-3. Shalom. Yes. Wow, guys, this is contact 5 and 3 to Israel. Incredible.
Kilo Whiskey, Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oh. I have 2 high SWR here.
Radio 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP.
7, Kilo Whiskey, Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP.
QRP, please again.
What? Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP.
Roger. Oscar Mike
What?
Zero Echo Tango, Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey, back to you.
Okay, Papa Romeo 7 Kilo Whiskey, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, QRP. I'm working with 10 whiskey, 10 watts, and your signal is 5 and 7, 5 and 7 in Slovakia, Central Europe. Over.
Thank you, my friend, to reply my call.
He's 5-3 now.
In first moment was very nice to copy you, but also in second time it was oscillating with propagation. He posted to you 5x4, 5x3,
Not bad.
with propagation. Thank you very much for your contact, my friend. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Okay, Papa Romeo 7 Kilo Whiskey, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. I am working with magnetic loop antenna, and only 10 watts, only 10 whiskey, 10 watts. Thank you for the DX contact to Brazil. I wish you good luck and 7-3, over.
Roger, operating with 10 watts. Okay, my friend, thank you very much. I didn't copy your name. My name is Louis. What's your name, my friend? Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Okay, Louis, my name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, and you are in my live stream. Over.
Roger. Roger. Oh, thank you, my friend, for your contact. Hope to find you again in the frequency. I'm operating here with Tango Sierra 440 is a cumulative transceiver and Moxo antenna pointed to Europe. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango Papa Romeo 7 Kilo Whiskey.
Okay, I'm very happy for the DX contact. Over.
Answer to my call. Oscar
He
Mike
lost
Zero
me.
Echo Tango Papa Romeo 7 Kilo Whiskey. Bye bye.
Good luck in 73. Obrigado. Bye bye. What a surprise, guys. What a surprise. I just have the DX contact.
Radio setting Alpha.
This is the real DX contact to Brazil on 10 meters. This is amazing. This is really amazing. So let me show you my current setup. I think this is the great finish of this live stream. So you can see the antennas in behind me. So this is my setup. So actually I am using two magnetic lubes antenna. This is really nice to have this beautiful DX contact to Brazil on 10 meters from a mag lube and 10 watts power. So this is this current setup I worked today, chilling here in the garden and having fun on the radio waves. And the radio, what I like so much now is this new QRP radio transceiver, the QRP Labs, with all modifications. There is a video about this transceiver. Nice QSOs, nice contacts with this radio. All right. So, what do you say, guys? I think that the QRP is the very nice part of ham radio life, and sometimes it really makes miracles. HI. So can you imagine that if you have 5-watt LED light and you're shining on somebody 1,000 kilometers from you, and he is able to spot this light and maybe even read the Morse code you are making with this LED light. That must be really unthinkable. But this is thinkable, and this is actually possible with the radio waves. So this is something crazy. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video today. It was a little bit longer, but I had really a lot of fun, and also a lot of things what I wanted to try today, especially with this new QRP Labs QMX transceiver. And if you are interested in my future videos, and I plan to make sometime a trip to the woods and a real walkie-talkie style with this antenna, but yeah, the band must be open on 10 meters, of course, so it's not so easy. So if you really enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button on the bottom and even subscribe to the channel if you like. So thank you very much guys for watching my videos. 73, enjoy the radio, enjoy the ham radio hobby, and we'll see you next time again.